Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Figure-rise Standard Ultraman version 7.5. So I really enjoyed the Ultraman B-type and enjoyed painting it up, and I can't wait to get this one built up and painted up to match my B-type in the matching color scheme. But let's just get into it. The Ultraman B-type was such a really cool kit, and like the box art and the poster included, everything was all just really cool. The LED gimmick, and this has a lot of that, not quite as much. This doesn't have a poster included as far as I know, but it does still have an LED gimmick with an included LED and just a lot of really cool aspects to this as well, including the really cool box art on this one as well. So the box art designs on these are just really cool, fantastic. If you're an Ultraman fan or just sort of like a fan of just this kind of artwork style, I guess, then this should be looking pretty cool too. I like it a lot. So it's a 1/12 scale plastic model here, of course, and then over here on the side, this is what it's going to look like on the sides of the box. It's pretty simple there. On the bottom of the box, we just got a bunch of different photographs of the kit and some dramatic lighting, so that's what's going to look like there on the front and the back. In a kind of action pose there. It's got its main weapon there is kind of the sword, but then it does also have these here. What are these called? Well, it doesn't seem to have the name of them on the outside of the box here, but it has these kind of sword-like weapons on there as well, which look like they can be attached together. Not really too as interested in those, more so just kind of interested in this, the main sword, and does have some of their other hand options there, it looks like. And it looks like it's just talking about how the knives can be attached onto a stand to recreate like throwing poses. Okay, and then this one does also have the LED gimmick there for the eyes. No LED gimmick for the chest. It's basically just for the head in this case, whereas the B-type had light coming out the chest and the head. So over here on the other side, just a nice pose there of the kit, and then a look at some of the molding. So this one I think as well is going to be molded in a high gloss red and that silver coated plastic there, so it looks really nice. Again, the list price is not on the outside of the box, but the list price for this kit is 4,500 yen, so it's pretty expensive. But again, we have coated parts here with the coated silver, and then the included LED unit and all that, so it's kind of warranted, I guess, if you look at it in that way. So we'll see about that in the actual review. But again, if it's anything like the B-type, then I think I'm going to be pretty happy with this. The still one does also include the clear stand in there as well, so that's all very nice. And again, some fantastic artwork here on the manual as well, just really cool illustrations for these. So it's a shame this one didn't also come with a poster like the first one, but still liking that a lot. So around here on the back of the manual, just the same kind of stuff about some of the details here. So I guess these are the Eye Slugger. Interesting name for an interesting set of weapons, but this is the Ultraman suit version 7.5. Some of the markings here, so it looks like we maybe have some stickers included. Yep. So just showing you where those are all going to go around on the kit, and then down here a couple stickers on the sword and sheath, scabbard, I don't know, whatever you want to call that, on there as well. And then down here at the bottom, the color guide as well. So let's get this opened up. We've got a parts list there at the top, and then it's just straight on into the construction with the head and the body, the arms, legs, the waist section, and back around to our color pages here. Just for the sword, weapons, not really too much construction involved with that. Just kind of the gimmicks of how to use all the different weapons and everything, and then the LED gimmick, and then yeah, just how to deal with the LED, how to open up that up for the batteries and everything, and then just the stand, how to put the stand together for that as well. So pretty simple. Let's just get into the runners. Alright, so just like with the B-type, and it seems like even more so in this case, unfortunately, there's quite a lot of foil stickers for this kit to get it completely color accurate. That is, if you want to go for a completely color accurate look for it. And then the sheet of marking stickers, a lot of really tiny little stickers on here for some really tiny little details to add to it. So in my review of the B-type, I didn't even bother putting any of these on because they're just so small and tiny, and I feel like they're just not going to look good. You're going to see the outline of the sticker, I feel like, just as much as you're going to see the tiny little detail of the actual sticker on it. And then here's the LED unit. It's actually exactly the same as the other one. It's just that here we have the button on the back, the LED out the top, and the other one had the LED out the front as well, but in this case it's just blocked off there. So that's it. And again, our clear action base here and all the parts for the arms for that. And so here's runner A, all in this very nice coated silver. It looks really good, just straight out of the box, I have to say. And then we have also runner A2, which is a copy of this section here. And then runner B1 is our high gloss red, also looks really nice, especially with that silver together. And then we've got runner B2, which is a copy of this part of the runner here for parts for the arms and legs. And then we got runner C1 in this dark, very dark metallic gray color for joint parts and hand parts and things like that. And we've got runner C2 for a copy of this corner of the runner here. And then lastly, runner D is in this clear orangish yellow parts just for the neck, for the light to go up from the LED unit into the head, and then for the eyes and the visor part there for in the head as well. So based on just what I can tell from the runners here so far, it's going to be a very similar build to the B-type kit, which makes sense obviously because they're both the same kind of Ultraman design, similar, just different on the outside, and then also in the same scale and from the same line, both being Figure-rise Standard kits. So it would make sense they're very similar, but I feel like I could probably build this kit without any instructions at this point. So after I've already built and painted the B-type. So anyway, I think it looks really cool. I'm really looking forward to getting it built up. As always, guys, a huge thank you to USA Gundam Store for making it possible. Check the link to USA Gundam Store down there in the comments section, or not in the comments section, in the video description. That's where it is. As well as the coupon code there, ZakuAurelius 10, which you can use on all the stuff there on their site. So big thank you to them. Thank you to you guys for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave those down below. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the review coming up next. Bye bye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store. Use that coupon code ZakuAurelius 10. Save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.